Amin.
Assalamu alaikum. Good manners, Bhalacharan. Respected founder and director, honorable chairman of this congregation, esteemed teachers, my dear friends and distinguished audience. Today I will talk to you about good manners. Good manners are the way we show kindness and respect to others. Islam teaches us to always be polite, helpful and gentle. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of you are those with the best manners." This means that being kind and treating others well makes us better people. Simple things like saying please and thank you, smiling and listening to others are all part of good manners. Let's always try to be good to everyone we meet because it makes Allah happy and makes us feel good too. Thank you so much for being here today. May Allah reward you with the best. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.